Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my today video cloud token wallet cryptocurrency review. And if you want to know what's all about, what is cloud token wallet, and if it's a scam or not, if you can invest in it or not, stay here until the end. And of course, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So let's go. All right, guys. So we are on landing page of cloud token system, cloud token wallet. And what is cloud token wallet? Its cryptocurrency is becoming better known and more popular throughout the entire world. Being relatively new, you may not be able to take the full advantage of this trend. Cryptocurrency coupled with this unique concept to change your life forever. Cloud Token is a Chinese crypto wallet in the form of mobile app that can be downloaded in the App Store and Google Play, as you can see here on their web page. Just consider the fact that Apple, which is famous for its stout selection of apps, has added Cloud Token into its store. It says a lot, and I'm saying that just to have a fresh start of the review. You can just hold cryptocurrency in it, but also you can do something much more interesting. By clicking just a few buttons, you can send your Bitcoin, Ethereum or other coins to a trust management. Having made this simple action, you begin to receive daily profit between 6 to 12% per month. But this is not at all. You get profit in CTO tokens, which price is consistently growing. The percentage depends on how successfully trading was conducted with our deposit by robot Jervis AE, which stands from artificial intelligence, on Binance. In your personal account, there are all trading reports that can be seen inside the app. Cloud Token is a decentralized digital wallet integrating all digital assets into one platform and function as a social and wealth management tool. It has adopted the latest fourth generation blockchain technology, which has the ability to execute encrypted trading and payment using inter-blockchain technology. Who's behind this crypto token wallet? This is Ronald AE. This one, you can see it here. It's a serial entrepreneur and has successfully built several internet businesses early in his career. He has been developing new technologies for social media, payment, mobile wallets, mobile phones, telco system, IoT, Internet of Things solution and blockchain technology. Roland holds several patents under his name related to mobile software development. App developers are public and there is the direct contact with them. They can also often be found on international blockchain forums. The project started on 12 May 2019, so it's quite new, and top leaders from different countries have already entered and are ready for battle. Top leader Simon Train, who works in the US, also switched from Plus token to Cloud token, so the project promised to be very serious. You can deposit currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Litecoin, BCH, Doge, USD. The minimum deposit is $50. So you can start with a $50. It is possible to gradually increase the deposit amount in order to get decent passive profit every day, 365 days a year. The recommended cryptocurrency is Ethereum because of the high rate of Ethereum transactions with inputs and outputs of funds. The deposit is unlimited. The body of the investment can be withdrawn at any time. Profit fluctuates between 6 and 12% per month. It does not depend on the deposit amount. It depends on how the trading robot on the Binance exchange trades. All trading operations can be traced through the blockchain. automatically once a day you can see the profit in your app. Profit is accrued by the internal token CTO, which you can exchange for Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT and so on in the app and withdraw. The deposit body itself remains in the same currency in which you invested. If you want to withdraw the invest body earlier than 30 days after deposit, you will have to pay a commission which is 10%. If you withdraw it later, only 1%, but anyway, you can withdraw anytime you want. There is also an affiliate program, but we will speak in other video about it. What I can tell you at this moment is the minimum deposit that you have it in your account is $500. So you begin to receive remuneration for the affiliate program if your deposit is more than 500, and the deposit of at least one of your referral is also more than $500. The recommended minimum deposit amount is 550 in Ethereum, taking into account the volatility of cryptocurrencies and the transaction speed of Ether on deposits and withdrawals of funds. With each open deposit in your personal recommendation one line, you get 100% of its profit every day. Thus, if you invited 10 people who open a deposit for $1,000, let's say, then a volume of $10,000 was formed in your first line. In addition, each personal partner you invite opens up profit from that. And if you have invited 10 people, then you get income from 10 lines from your teams. 10 lines is the maximum depth from which you can earn income. With each deposit open in the second line of your team, you will receive 50% of its daily profit. From deposit open from the third line to the 10th line, you get 5% each. If you are actively building a team, then the marketing plan for you are provided more step bonuses and you can receive income from the entire depth of your team. Also, for any reason, if you can make a deposit of $500 once, you can make more deposits in time until you reach this sum and you become eligible for affiliate program afterwards. That's how flexible they are. I will tell you more about the affiliate program in my next videos. And now maybe you're asking what makes Cloud Token so different from other paying crypto wallets. Crypto wallets that pay to HODL are on the rise. Some of them claim to do crypto arbitrage trading, but only a few of them really do. Why is Cloud Token the best paying crypto wallet in the market? Cloud Token was launched, as I said, in April 2019, and it's addressing all the pain points most of the competitors have: transparency and technical support. Transparency. As far as transparency is concerned, there are several things to mention. Investors are naturally wanting to know how the company is generating profits to pay the returns it has committed to. Most of the competitors have failed to demonstrate that. Cloud Token is very transparent and shows all buy, sell and HODL orders in the order to history in the app. You can verify all order IDs on the various exchange. Technical behind this app is on the top. Ronald AEE, the CTO, Chief Technology Officer behind the Cloud Token. He has technical responsibility for BitBeta, a company that develops the 4th generation blockchain. So you can tell that there are some blockchain expertise involved. Ronald I has been very transparent with everybody. He has revealed the technology and the trading strategy behind Jervis Artificial Intelligence. Jervis AE is the trading bot that generates from 6 to 12% monthly profit for Cloud Token investors. The trading strategy behind Jervis AE is called VAROOM. VAROOM stands for Velocity and Acceleration, realistically operating on money, and was developed by a math professor from Singapore. Just like a Lamborghini is going to speed, the markets move in certain direction with some speed, and that is called velocity. When it speeds up, it is called acceleration. However, financial markets are noisy. The noise needs to be filtered out, for example with an exponential moving average or some other kind of filter. You can read all about the Varoom algorithm in their article on their website, and I'll put the link below this video. However, the app is working because I already have it on my phone. I already invested $600, and I can tell you that it's working like a Swiss clock, apart from some minor issues, but there is no problem. Important security features like 2FA, Google Authenticator, and mnemonic words are also implemented on the app. Another big difference factor will be technical support. Most of the competitors have failed to provide professional technical support service to its user. Cloud Token is putting together a team of customer support experts who will stand in front of the Bangkok attendees on stage and introduce themselves. We hope this helped you understand what differentiates Cloud Token from other wallets. Once again, just consider the fact that Apple, which is famous for its tough selection of apps, has added Cloud Token on its App Store. It says everything. Also, for registration, you don't have to enter a phone number, which causes huge demand in the market because many countries remained overboard in analog projects because of SMS, which did not allow registration. Super simple registration in 2 clicks greatly increased the conversion of customers. Direct communication with developers allows you to solve problems very quickly, which was missing in other projects. Now is the beginning. Now is the moment that you get involved. I am using as my wallet now. I am using Transcript, which I don't have nothing to say about it. It's stable, it's everything is good, but it's only this. I only keep the cryptocurrency there and nothing happens. With this one you get daily rewards. That is the main reason that I accepted to put my cryptocurrency in it. And also the program, the affiliate program, that if you want to join under me, I also take care of you and I'll show you what to have to do, how to promote it. So you will find the link to the official their official website, and also you have the my referral over there. And otherwise you cannot join without a referral number. All you have to do to start receiving daily CTO rewards is downloading the app and activating your trading bot Jerfis AE. So as I said, I will leave the link below this video to watch the webinars and so on. You can write me on my email address chrisbrag@gmail.com, or in the comment area below this video you can have any question regarding Cloud Token wallet. In conclusion, I remind you once again that you can only register with a referral code in a project. It is impossible to register without it. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.